You get it, guys? It's Calvin from the Cartoon Company in New Zealand. I'm going to give the starter loom from an LS400 a bit of a tidy up. This thing's had a hard life, and as per normal, it's a bit broken. We're trying to put it back together as close as it should be, being it's a factory car. It's pretty normal, they break off here, and then this plastic is looking pretty shitty. It's broken there. So I'm going to harvest it off this one. And then we were going to pop a new plug on here, new connector, and a couple of new knock sensor connectors, bit of tape, bit of a tidy, and it'll be good as new again. This particular loom I did take outside and hit it with the water blaster. It was that grimy. It was disgusting. So it's much better now. Let's get into this job and make it look like it should. Black one is the left one, goes to number 1 cylinder side, or the odd side. Black is for the odd side. Woo! That is some thunder. You're gonna come out. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Throw some covering on there, it'll look good. Woohoo! I'll put the starter motor in now. This is done.